Alright, hello from Nickstabadet in Nynäshamn, and I'm heading now to the diving platform to jump, as it seems quite empty currently. And I'm now heading from the sandy beach, and here we have two jetties before we get to the one with the main diving platforms. So it is a beautiful Friday today in the evening, and we have the sandy beach here, as you can see. That's not so crowded currently, as it was a bit cloudy earlier today. Here we have a nice jetty to sit in as well, and there is even a water slides here. That's actually not for free, you need to pay to go around, and there are obviously lots of children playing there. So I'm heading now to the diving platform, and I'm thinking from which one shall I jump. Last year I jumped from the 10-meter one, the highest one, and that was so scary. Indeed, I am still in shock of that. So today I will be testing either the 5 or the 7.5 meters. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting to say the least. Alright, it seems a bit empty right now. And here we can see also the beach from here as well. So it's time to decide from which to jump from, which height. 3 meters, 5 meters, actually 2.5, 5, 7.5 and 10 meters. So that's what is the question right now, as I'm at Nickstabadet on this 26th of July. Currently it is 24 degrees Celsius in the air, I mean in the sea, and 22 in the air. So let's then get ready for a jump. All right. It is time to jump from 7.5 meters here at Nickstabadet in Nynäshamn. It looks quite scary though, indeed. You can see the whole beach from here as well. Now it's time to jump finally from 7.5 meters, as last year I jumped from the 10 meters. So now let's jump from the 7.5 at Nickstabadet in Nynäshamn. Let's see if it's free. Okay, jag hoppar. Juan hoppar, let's go! Amazing! It was so amazing. Wow! What a huge impact it was. Indeed. 7 meters here at Nickstabadet. So last year I jumped from the 10-meter platform, and this year I opted from 7 meters because the one from 10 meters was quite huge and interesting and lots of adrenaline. Amazing. So yeah, Nickstabadet, ladies and gentlemen, and it's time for yet another beach adventures with Chris. I hope you enjoyed my dive here, and now I'm gonna swim back to the sandy beach, the sandy part of the beach. So yes, this is how it looks like also from the water, and it's located in Nynäshamn, obviously, and it's quite a nice beach to visit. There is even a camping at Nickstabadet first camp. So yeah, super nice. So yes, beach adventures with Chris on this 26th of July, beach number 105. Beautiful day. It's 24 degrees Celsius in the sea right now, and 22 degrees. So 24 in the sea and 22 in the air. So yes, then that's a wrap from Nickstabadet in Nynäshamn. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.